Welcome to CMAX Email Shooter. So this tool is help us to send multiple emails, bulk emails for digital marketing. So first of all, login. When you are logged in, so it will show you a dashboard with sent email, failed email, opened email, and clicked email. So it will give you a full email analytic. So to start it, first of all, we need to add our users. For example, in our company, we have different user setup, like different department to send emails, so we can add a user here. So here is a contact tag. So we can categorize our email marketing users by contact tag list. So we can create custom contact tag list. For example, here we can create one that is brand one, status is active, and we can create it. So we can delete and update also. So here is source, so we can add sources. So which source we want to send bulk emails. For example, YouTube, we want to send emails to our YouTube users or a website user or Facebook user, so we can add our own custom source here. So here is manage contact. So we can add a contact by click on a create new contact. So here we can categorize a contact. So contacts lies on a brand one tag. We can tag contact with these options and source. So which source that contact comes from? So it's from our website. So first name, it's, for example, we added some default data. So address, email is subscribed. So if email is subscribed, then only we will send email. So email subscribed has the more importance. For example, if anyone is unsubscribed our newsletter, then that is automatically unchecked. So status is active. So we only send emails to subscribed and active status users. So here we can create this one. So it's very difficult to add one by one. So we can also have a facility to import from Excel. So here is we can select tags, source, and we can choose the file. So that sample file also is here. This is a sample file. So here this is a sample file, some sort of sample data with first name, last name, email, contact, date of birth, and address. Okay, so we can add here, and we can simply import that Excel sheet and users created. So this is a way to create a users. Way to create a contacts. So we can add contacts by manually and by automate from Excel. So here is the templates. So you can create your own templates. For example, you want to create one template. Name is SC account saving count template. You can name it anything. So here we added some base 10 base email templates. So we can add even more. It's not a problem. So for example, we can send one restaurant email. So here is the restaurant email content. So we can add edit content here. Welcome to ABC bar. So you can do whatever you want to change text here. So here, for example, these are some images. So if you want to add some more images, so you can simply import image by choosing a file. So for example, you uploaded one file, you want to add this image in here. So you can simply copy link copied, and when you double click on it, so it will show you path and simply paste it. So image is there. So that template is automatically aligned, fully aligned templates. So you can add your custom links. You can add custom when you click on it. So here is the link buttons, so you can add your read more text, so what it will be redirect to your URL, your website URL. So here you can add links, you can change anything in template. So when you change anything in template, so when you set up an email for specific users, so you need to add user fields. For example, you need to add a username, and sometimes you need to add your user phone number or email or address. So here is fields, so that fields shown in our editor, first name, last name, phone number. So simply when you click on it, so here it is add, so that keyword will pass automatically when that email will be sent. So you can add anything is here. For example, I want to add, here is user address, so it is user address is added. So when the email is sent, that thing automatically passed. So you simply then you can save this template. So saving account template, so it's a template is saved. So now campaign, so you need to create a campaign. So I named it camp saving account, so that is email template. So here you can select your your contact base, so which type of contacts you want to send template. So I checked it, website, YouTube, and tag. So I selected brand one, this one, and here you can select your template. So I created a saving account template, so I selected it. So you can add a subject here. Okay, so status is active, let's create it. Saving account campaign is created. So now you need to trigger that campaign or schedule that campaign. So here is before this you need to set up a one email account. So here I set up you can set up multiple email accounts here. So it's a fully dynamic. So it's a email SMTP server, port, use SSL, username, password. So it is a fully email configuration. So you can set up verified for example, as you can set up SMTP users and that email whichever username password. So you can set username password here also. So now you can trigger a template. So here I selected a campaign saving account. So which email you want to send, you want to use to trigger all the templates. So I selected this one, and this is a trigger time. So trigger time, I want to send this template by tomorrow 22. At this time. Okay, so I triggered it. So now this is in a waiting position. Okay, so when this time is, will occur, that template automatically triggers. So it's scheduled. So you don't need to open this web portal again and again. So that is a background task. This will automatically trigger your template. So here once your template is triggered, so you can see the full analytics. So this is a sample of one email, one sent email. So you can see here template sent. So it's the same template sent that I show you. So here is that images. So that is very clean template. So email, so that count is automatically incremented in my analytic. So user also unsubscribe an email. For example, here is unsubscribe. So here you can see the message, you have successfully unsubscribed. So next time the email will not goes to that user. So I can show you one existing sent email analytics. So sent 4 emails, failed emails 0, opened emails. So opened emails means when anyone open your email template, for example you sent email to their inbox, so when anyone open that inbox email, so that automatically count incremented. So it's a directory linked with your contacts emails. So whenever any user clicked on your product, so it will be counted here. So you can got fully analytic, how many emails sent, how many emails failed, how many emails opened, and how many emails clicked. So it's that is a analytic of your one trigger. So in dashboard you can get a collective analytic. 27 failed, sent email, 8 failed, 4 open, 2 clicked. So here is weekly, you can view weekly or even monthly analytic. So in bottom here is a contact data. So you have 21 contact email subscribed, 20 email subscribed, 1 email unsubscribed, and 1 inactive contact. So your YouTube user base is 19%, website 1%, and 50%, website is 3 and also 3. So here is women close sales. So that is a tags. So it will show you how many users in that specific tag. So even when you purchase this email shooter, Max email shooter, so we will provide you full source code. So it's developed in a .NET Core with very good code base. So this is a code base of project. So this is our web project. This is a data repository, models, class library, and services. So we are using a repository pattern. So we have interfaces. So that is fully managed, and we are using a entity framework, and that is migrations, and we are using some base repositories for basic operations, and these are the entities and request and response models. So this is service. So that project flow is very simple. So and any request comes from the controller that is that consume the service. So service interact with models and data. So that's the project.